Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to help you fix you can't send messages for 3 days restriction on Instagram. First, understand why this restriction was placed on your account. It could be because you were sending too many messages in a short time, sending the same message repeatedly, or your messages were flagged as spam. Make sure you avoid these actions to prevent future restrictions. Next, report the problem to Instagram. If you believe this restriction is a mistake, you can report it directly to Instagram. Go to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. From there, tap on Help, then report a problem. And choose Something Isn't Working. Describe your issue briefly, mentioning that you are unable to send messages and believe it's a mistake. Make sure to be polite and concise. Submit your report and wait for Instagram to review it. It might take some time, but this is the most direct way to get their attention. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes simply logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in can refresh your account settings and lift minor restrictions. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap Logout. After a few seconds, log back in and see if you can send messages again. Finally, if none of these steps work, you might have to wait out the restriction period. While waiting, avoid any actions that could flag your account as suspicious, like sending the same message to many users or spamming comments and likes. After the restriction is lifted, make sure to follow Instagram's guidelines to avoid future restrictions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can fix or prevent the You Can't Send Messages for 3 days restriction on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.